We've been doing a lot of glue ups in the shop lately, and if there's one thing we know about glue, it can definitely make a mess. In the next 2 minutes, we'll show a quick and easy way to remove that excess glue from your clamps. To start, you'll need equal parts acetone, water, and white vinegar. The combination of these 3 ingredients will work to remove the adhesion of the glue on the clamps. Next, grab some standard plastic wrap and cut to fit the size of the clamp. Grab your wire brush and we're ready to start. Dip the wire brush in the solution and apply it to the clamp, being careful to spend extra time in areas with excess glue. Once you've finished applying the solution, wrap the clamp in plastic wrap. This will prevent the solution from drying out too soon and not removing the glue. After a couple hours, we're ready to remove the plastic wrap. We use a wire brush to remove any excess remnants of the glue from the clamp. Wipe with a paper towel and you're all set. Happy clamp cleaning!